Hi everybody, this is Sonia and this is my Catcrazy Creations crochet video. I hope everybody is doing well and that you guys have all had a great crafty time with whatever you do, cross stitch, crochet, scrapbooking, whatever your craft is. I hope that you've had a lot of great success on them since my last video. It's probably been a month since I've been on here. I've been busy, just, when I was wanting to do a video, it didn't work out for whatever reason. But I am here to show you a finish. I'm here to show you a work in progress. And so it's going to be a short video, but I just wanted to come on and show you what I have completed. Before I get started, I do want to show that I did finish this, the Dandelion Dreamers, the customizable crochet poncho that I was working on my last video to you guys. Well, let me explain to you. Oh my gosh. The pattern's good. There's nothing wrong. It was my brain. When I first showed you that was like Afghan size. When I did what she said and I put it all together, it was like 3 of me could fit in there. And I was like, oh no. But I loved it, so I took it all out. That's another reason I did not come on, is because I had nothing to show. I was working on this poncho, and then I did it again, but it was double crochet. That's all it is. So it was very easy to take out. And so I remeasured, and I took off like maybe 20 or so chains or stitches, and I did it again. Still too big. Not as big, but it was still big. So then I did it again, and I took off like, I don't know, 30 stitches, and it was finally to my liking. So I said, I am going to leave it as is. So anyway, I am wearing it. I like the drape. I like how it drapes. I will stand up a little bit here so that you guys can kind of see what it looks like. Go around. So I hope you guys were able to see that. But yeah, I put little tassels all around it, and I really like it. It's warm, it's comfortable, and yeah, I enjoy it. I like it. I think it's beautiful. But boy, tell you, evidently I can't measure. Evidently, because that is definitely what happened. I just made it way, way too big at the beginning. But yeah, I would recommend this. I took this out twice and put it back together in less than a month. So it's very simple. So if you can measure good, you will have no problem with this at all. So anyway, it is the customizable crocheted poncho by Dandelion Dreamers on Ravelry, and it is a free pattern. So highly recommend that. And the next thing that I'm going to show is I am doing a pattern. I'm pattern testing for Melon Bee. She is on YouTube. She does the crochet. I know a lot of you know who she is, Monica. She is working on a crochet shawl. So, and I'm testing, I'm one of the testers, and this is where I've gotten so far on it. And I believe this is some of the yarn that was sent to me. It didn't have a tag, but I believe it's homespun. Homespun yarn. It looks like a dusty rose color. It's probably looking pink, real pink in the dusty rose color. So that's where I'm at so far. You start at the bottom and then you come up and it gets bigger as you go. But that's where I'm at so far on that. The directions, very simple. Everything's working out really great right now with this. So, yeah. There is no name yet because it's just being tested. But here's maybe a better, it's going to have, it has like a whole bunch of holes. That other one might not have been showing it as well, but yeah, that shows it a little bit better. And so that's where I'm getting the holes at. So anyway, I'm really enjoying working on that. So go check out Melon Bee on YouTube. Okay, I think that's about it for this time. I hope to, there's some other projects that I have kind of researched out that I'm going to try. So I hope to have some more things on my hook next, in a couple of weeks. I'm going to try to get back to staggering my videos. So I might be back next week because I want to do crochet 1 week, cross stitch stuff another week. So I'm going to try to get it staggered back again. So I might be back next week for another update. So anyway, I think that's all for this time. I want to thank everybody so much for watching, subscribing, for commenting, for liking, and for sharing my videos. It means a lot to me. I have hit 2,000 subscribers. So be watching out for maybe a little celebration to come. So anyway, until next time, everybody have a great week.